Hello everyone, the topic is dipole in uniform external field. Let A be an electric dipole having charge minus q and plus q, having charge minus q and plus q, and these are separated by distance 2a, separated by distance 2a. Suppose this is uniform electric field. So the dipole is placed in this electric field having charge minus q and plus q at point A and B. So F is equal to QE. Here is F is equal to minus QE. So let this dipole be placed in uniform electric field of strength E. E is the strength of electric field in the direction making angle theta. In the direction making angle theta with the E vector. So say that this point is O point and 2A is the length of dipole. So the force on plus q and minus q charge is same, but these forces are act along different line of action and constitute a couple and rotate the couple in clockwise direction. So the force on plus q charge at B point. So the force on plus q charge at B point is equal to, because F is equal to QE, this is QE vector. So in the direction of field, so this is one force. The next one is force on charge minus q at A point. Force on this charge at A point is equal to QE vector in the direction opposite to E. In the direction opposite to E. So this is in opposite direction of this E vector. So these both forces are equal and opposite and act along different line of action, so they form couple and rotate the couple in this clockwise direction. So here is torque. This is a symbol for torque, tau. The torque is given by tau. Tau is equal to force. Tau is equal to either force and perpendicular distance between two forces. So tau, this is a torque is equal to force QE into distance. Say join this line, say that this point is C point, this is ABC. So this angle is also theta. So tau is equal to QE into distance and distance BC. So this is equal to QE and AB sine theta, because in triangle ABC, consider this triangle ABC, so sine theta is equal to, this is a perpendicular, so perpendicular over hypotenuse AB. So tau is equal to QE into AB sine theta. So this is equal to QE into AB is the length of dipole, 2A sine theta. This is equal to combine Q into 2A. So Q into 2A E sine theta. Q into 2A becomes dipole moment. This is P. E is same sine theta. So tau is equal to PE sine theta. So this is the expression for torque when the dipole is in uniform external field. In vector form, tau vector is E vector, P vector cross E vector. This is the cross product because we know that AB cross is equal to AB sine theta. So this is the magnitude form. We know that direction of dipole moment is from minus Q to plus Q charge. So the direction of tau, the direction of this tau will be perpendicular. The direction of tau will be perpendicular to P vector and E vector. So if this is E theta P vector, then in this direction tau will act. So this is the perpendicular direction of tau. So it is an important point that net force on the dipole is zero. When the electric dipole is placed in uniform electric field and making angle theta with the field, the net force on dipole is zero, but torque is not zero. In this case, when the dipole is placed in uniform electric field making angle theta with the field, the net force on dipole is zero. Net force on dipole is zero, but torque is not zero. Zero. Here are two special cases. Number one is when theta is equal to 0 degree. When theta is equal to 0 degree, we know that tau is equal to PE sine theta in magnitude form. So theta is 0 degree, it is equal to 0, means tau is equal to 0. It means when theta is equal to 0, no torque act on the dipole. Torque is 0 when its axis is parallel to field. Second case is when theta is equal to 90 degree, tau is equal to PE sine 90 degree is equal to 1 PE. So tau is equal to PE, which is a maximum. Torque is maximum. Here tau is minimum. Here tau is minimum and equal to 0. Here torque is maximum. Tau is maximum when the dipole is perpendicular to field. When dipole is perpendicular to field. Thank you.